Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of your favorite line dance. Now today we're doing Finna Get Loose, okay? It's a 4-wall dance and it's 4 counts of 8. Simple counts, so you're gonna get it in no time, all right? So let's get started. All right, gonna turn my back to you to make it easier to follow. This is my right, this is my left, all right? First count of 8 is a side step. So we're going to start with the right. We're going to go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, let's count it out. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, first count of 8. Done. All right, second count of 8. It's a modified jazz box with a grapevine to the right. All right, so let's break that down. So to start with that jazz box, we're going to step with our right, cross it over the left, step back with the left, step back with the right. Okay, so 3 counts. Cross, back, back. Okay, from here, we're going to grapevine to the right, starting with this left foot. Pick up the left, cross it over the right, step out with the right, cross back with the left, step out with the right, cross front with the left. Okay? So let's put that all together. That second count of 8. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross back, back, cross front, out, cross back, out, cross front. Okay? Let's count it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Now, did you notice that if you're familiar with the Tamia line dance, that second count of 8 is in her dance. But this one is a little easier because we're not stepping on the end beats, all right? So, and if you need that Tamia line dance instructional, your girl got you, all right? Check it out on the channel, okay? So now let's put those first 2 counts of 8 together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Cross, back, back, cross front, out, cross back, out, cross front. Okay? Halfway there, guys. All right. Now, third count of 8 are your hip pops, or you can freestyle because not everybody trying to throw their little hips up, right? All right. So, especially if you're guys, maybe. I don't know. But anyway, all right. 8 counts of hip thrusts or hip pops. So, we just did our grapevine. Cross, out, back, out, and cross. Now, you're going to step with the right foot. You're going to step and throw your hip, okay? So you're going to step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? 8 hip pops. Now, if you don't want to throw your hips, you can freestyle. Like I said, you can just move, okay? I've also seen people do this step. They push off, cha, 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 push off, step, cha, cha, cha. Okay? I've seen girls and guys do that. So you got options here. But for this instructional, we just gonna pop our hips, all right? Because that's what I like to do. Okay? So let's start with the grapevine and go into the hip pops. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now pop it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? All right. Last count of 8, fourth count of 8 is a grapevine to the left with the 3/4 turn. Okay? So we are here. We just popped our little hips. Okay? First step, we're going to put our weight on our right foot. Okay? That's the first count. Put your weight on the right foot. Okay? It's like push off and then step left for the second count. This is where the grapevine starts. cross over with the right, 3, step out 4, cross back 5, step out 6, cross front 7, and turn 3/4, right? And that's on 8. So let's do that again. So we just went 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1 and 2, cross 3 and 4, cross 5 and 6, cross 7, turn 8. Okay? So let me break down that 3/4 turn for you, just to make it easier for you, because you'll see it a lot in this line dance and in a lot of other line dances as well. All right, so whichever direction the right side of your body is facing, that's where you're going to end up turning with your 3/4 turn, okay? So you see the right side of my body is facing this direction, this wall. To do my 3/4 turn, I'm going to pick up my right, cross it over my left, and I'm going the long way around to get over to that wall, right? That's the 3/4 turn, okay? If we're going to do it from this direction, here's the right side of my body. It's facing you, facing that wall. To do my 3/4 turn, pick up my right, cross it over my left, turn it all the way around, bam, 3/4 turn. Simple, right? Okay, so now that we got that, let's put all 4 counts together. We're going to go very slow. Okay, make sure we got it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Cross front, back, back, cross front, out, cross back, out, cross front, and pop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and push. Step, cross front, out, cross back, out, and cross and turn. That's it, guys. Those are the 4 counts of 8. Now, let's do it. We're going to pick up the tempo, okay, to match the music, to match the beat of that song. Make sure we got it. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it starts over. Here, the next wall. Da, 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 pop. Da, 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 da. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2, 4, 6, and 8. Da, da, da. Y'all got it? Yes, I know. I see you. I see you, girl. I see you jamming. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? That is it. That's the instructional. Now, if you want to see it with music, check out the video. Finna get loose with music. And I will see you next time. Okay? So, if these videos are helpful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to keep them coming because I love to dance and I want to share it with you guys, okay? Think of it, for me, it's a psyche break. We all need that in our lives, right? All right, so until next time, get out there. When this song comes on, no excuses anymore. Have fun. Love you guys. Mwah!